what it is?
That was, we put the, sorry.
All right, we don't remember, so we'll check it out.
Well, start example.
Serve lead controller.
That's it.
Or is it a start sample?
Yeah, the other one said start example.
Start sample, right? Wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was a start example, right? And then if we go back to this one, just in case we missed it, we go to the tutorial here and we go to chapter 3, and the guy says to go ahead and, create a package that is that, so you have to have exactly the same, on the folders, it has to be exactly the same. So CHR3 is that example. Okay, then inside of that guy, you create your JSPs. What we're talking about today, they have to be exactly the same, okay? So we go back, and that was the start example, is that correct?
That's correct.
Correct, right? So we click that guy there. So we have this guy here. So now how do we create those JSPs?
Right click, new,
Right
JSP.
click. Okay. So right here, we do right click, new, JSP, right? So where's
JSP right
JSP?
there.
JSP right here. So what we're gonna call the first guy?
Edit,
Edit with capital E, right?
capital E.
No JSP, nothing, just finish. And then hopefully I got the right guy here. Okay, let's go back over here. Examples, that was chapter 2. So the first guy is the edit, right? So these are the ones we're gonna do, right? So edit, and then Control A, Control C, and then we go back over here. This is the guy, so Control A, Control V, right? That's a lot easier than trying to reinvent the wheel. So what is this guy doing? Let's see if there's anything that we need to change over here. So this one is the edit. It's calling the controller that we're gonna create. Actually, the controller is already here, right?
You already created it.
Yeah, it's right down here. So it's gonna say, okay, one of the things that I like to do, you don't have to, but the way you write this, to me, is a little bit hard, difficult to read. Usually what I do is I just go ahead and do something like this, and then the same with the next line. Isn't that a lot easier to read?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Right? And then I usually do this also. I go to the front here, leave a space there, and then whatever works for you, okay? But for me, this is a lot easier to read. Okay, so we save this guy here. So what's the next guy? We don't know, so we go back over here, the examples. So we did the JSP, right? So now we need to do the confirm and the process, right? Those are the 3 places that you need to go on the Java, on the servlet, right?
And then the mapping for the web XML.
And I'm sorry?
The web XML?
Yeah.
You haven't done that?
No, not yet. I got an email from somebody from this class saying that the XML does it automatically or something.
You can.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, can we go over that in a minute?
Yeah.
That'd be great because that will save us a lot of time.
Oh, yeah.
So this one is confirmed, right? So we do the same thing, right click here and do what?
JSP,
And that was called what?
confirm.
Confirm. This is getting so easy that it's
Easy.
easy. Look at that, we just copy and paste it.
Yeah.
So right click add, control V.
It's getting easier.
And I got this.
So what do we need to change here? Let's see. This one is also called the controller. All right, and do we need to change anything in here?
No, not yet.
Oh man, I did something wrong here. Okay. Oh yeah, right, so I'll do it over here. Okay. And the last guy here. Like I said, you don't have to do this, but I think that this will make life a lot easier to read. How's that? It's okay? Okay, so we saved that guy. What's the next guy?
Process.
go back one guy here, we did, process now, right? So Control A, Control C, we go back to this guy, and that was called process, right? So right click, new what? CSP. And that was process with a capital P, I think? Like that? One C or two Cs? One C, right? So Control A, Control V. Do we need to change anything here? Process page, thank you for the information, nothing, right? This is good, right?
Not yet.
The doc type is 5?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep. Someone turned in one of the things with doc type 4. I don't know how they did that, yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah.
I think so.
It worked?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What did you have time?
Yeah, because NetBeans does it automatically for you. You don't have it updated.
You don't have it updated? Yeah, that's all right.
That's right.
Okay, so we have confirm, edit, and process. Do we need anything else?
Which?
From number 2. That's it. Let's
Then you need your web XML.
you had edit, confirm, process, and the control in Java, which we already did, right?
Yeah. So the last one is the web XML, the servlet definition mapping.
So let's see if we have anything else there. So let's go over here, make sure that this control in Java is correct. So this guy is looking for the process button. So we execute process, and we do have the process here. The next is the confirm, we have the confirm here. The last one is the edit, we have the edit here. Right? So let's assume that this will work by itself. Do you think it might?
No, you haven't done the web XML.
Why not? Let's try it.
To change the addresses.
The addresses on the XML?
Yeah, you haven't done that.
No, let's see what happens. Just curious. I have an index, chapter 3 controller. Okay, great. Nothing else is here. DFI, anything else in there.
You know, hyperlink.
So why? I didn't change the index, right? Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, the index that I had over here was that guy here. Yeah, that's fine. So we need to go back and get the index from this guy. Where do we have the index?
I don't think there's an index.
No,
You just
he
put the
just-
hyperlink yourself.
Yeah.
What is that, hyperlink to edit?
Hyperlink to edit. Did we do that in chapter 2?
Well, to the controller. yeah.
To the controller.
All right, let's find out where we did that, chapter 2. But it's not in here, right?
No, it's
It's not in the notes. So we
It's
can
in the-
go do the hard way here, right?
Just type it in.
JSP controller, just edit it.
Say that again, please.
If you use the open JSP controller, just edit a little.
Which is this guy, right? This is the index, right? Is that what you're talking about? So we go ahead and put A, what else? href equals, not the other equals, that one. And then over here, we put backslash A and then we close it, right? I think I got something wrong there. That guy?
Yeah.
Still
The other
the
one. The other one.
less than.
What are you talking about? Right here, right? We put backslash A, right?
Yeah, but you're missing the less, the
Put it in.
less.
Why don't you put the path inside the quote first?
Before the A.
Before the A, I put what?
Before the slash.
Before the slash,
Left arrow, left arrow.
Less
arrow.
than,
Before the
yeah,
A.
less than.
before the A, okay, there's the A.
No, before the slash, less than.
Like that?
No.
Yeah, kind of.
Let's take
Get rid of the slash.
Before the slash, then.
Go to first one.
First slash, okay.
Who's it first?
Just erase everything.
Yeah.
Alright, so what?
Alright, slash.
Slash.
No.
How about
No.
Forget about that.
No slash?
No slash.
Forget about the quotation.
Alright.
What do I do?
Slash for you.
Left arrow.
Less than.
Remove that quotation.
remove the quotation.
No, you need it.
All right, so you guys don't get, okay.
Let's do the path first, since you're there.
Yeah.
Chapter 3, CH3, you can type it in.
Okay, CH3,
3,
period.
slash, what's that?
Slash,
You
yeah.
have to use
Okay,
slash.
slash,
Servlet controller.
serve, let,
Oh no, this one
Start
start
sample.
sample. Start sample.
oh
I
man.
know.
Just looking at you, start example, right?
Uh-huh.
Start sample.
Forward slash controls.
What else?
Forward slash control.
Because we are looking at that with a capital, right?
Yeah, capital
Control,
controller.
controller. Do I need to put Java in there?
No.
No. Okay, now what?
Alright, now the sign is greater than, right after that.
Greater than?
Greater than, and then space it out so you don't have anything. Okay, there you
Yeah?
That's it, yeah.
go. But then you still need to put your hyperlink lettering, so go back,
Okay, what do I put in there?
enter.
Enter?
Yeah, you can enter.
Enter.
No, you can enter, press enter. Give
Oh.
me stuff.
Yeah, but don't I wanna put something in there so that it shows up on the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, let's start example.
Start zero.
How about that? Start example, all right.
Alright.
So that makes sense, right?
Alright,
Think
try
that
it.
will work?
Yes.
Nope.
No, we need XML.
We need to still change the XML?
Yeah.
Maybe not.